Hi, Dad. Okay, so let's see. How am I going to do this? Alright, laying in front of me is the shifter arm with my broken off peg. Alright, big hole. Here's my actual foot peg. You can see on this end it's got a couple of like little teeth right there kind of on the end, those little prongs that stick off. So that just goes right through the shifter. Just sits right in there. Like so. And then the plate has those couple little notches in it around that hole for peg to sit in. Sorry for all the camera shakiness. It's like kind of multitasking here. Anyway, so the peg sits like this, and then the shifter can swivel around. Well, there, now it's in the notches. So the peg's sitting like this, shifter can swivel. And then that whole plate attaches right there. Those two, both holes. Right there and there. And that just attaches to those. But yeah, that's it. It's real simple. It just slides right through the hole. And like I said, linkage on this end is counterclockwise to unscrew. Or excuse me, clockwise. Wow. Clockwise to unscrew. Opposite of normal. Clockwise to unscrew. And then the one on the other end, in front of it up here, is normal. So the whole bar actually gets spun toward you to unscrew it. That makes sense. Okay, hopefully this will explain everything and not be too ridiculous. Love you. Bye.